I'm back. You complete a boss fight or finish a mission with a soapstone / small soapstone and you come back to life. Really? I had no idea, man. Why do they hit so bloody hard in the DLC? Stream so much lag. That's not good, dude. Poor bugger. Yeah, try reload it, dude. Magic stone. Ooh.
Humans do not produce light. Light is always
Oh. Holy shit. No clue then, Hunt. I'm not having any problems. Awesome. It's not good for you though, Hunt. I'm sorry, dude. Okay. Yay, 4 effigies. Even though it's not much, but yeah, it'll help a little bit, I guess. Yes, I would love more effigies, dude. Yeah, I'm craving effigies at the moment. Damn, that health. Holy crap. I have no idea what some of these are. Join Covenant of the Champions, put it on the Jester's hat, item found, go to Bastille, Smith's Bonfire, farm the dogs. Alright, dude. Okay. Thank you very much, Gabriel. I appreciate that, dude. At least I know for sure people like watching me play this. I'm gonna try Killing Floor 2, it's on trial this weekend. Catch y'all later. See you later, Eden. Have a good one, man. Okay. I like watching you play this and I can help. Cheers, man. It's good to know. Do you guys like watching Destiny? I want a heads up if you guys like watching Destiny. So it was the Jester's hat. Oh, that's good, Tanked Hades. Nice. Yeah, I agree with you, man. It's pretty chilled and relaxing. Yeah, I understand, Gabriel. It can't help if you got bored of it. To the Bastille. Yeah, McDuff's Bonfire. Yep. I think sort of pursuing was all like, lol sort of pursuing was all like, nope. Indeed, man. Stuff him. Not in the Covenant, man. Hell no. He would be psycho to fight. Woo! Effigy height. Whoop, diggity. Effigy. I'm thinking of changing my build to a paladin, where I can use spells to heal and whatnot. Yeah, faith and attunement, or yeah, a bit of faith and attunement to the build. The bonus to this is while the souls aren't all that great, you spend long enough, you get soul items, they will eventually stack up enough. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely thinking of putting some faith and attunement into this build tank, because 8 flasks, it's just so I can heal while I'm out. You have the Watch Dragon Palmer Shield. Nah, I've only got the Slumbering Dragon Shield. Oh wait, Watch Dragon Palmer is green and white? Okay, hold up. Nah, man. I do! Oh, I'm an idiot. Holy crap.